Hiren Kumar, Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today you are in the machine shop. Let us understand lathe. Lathe is a very primitive machine tool. It is also called as mother of all machine tools. What for a lathe is used? Lathe is used for producing circular cross-section workpieces. What are the major parts of a lathe? Lathe, starting from headstock, we have headstock. Next, opposite to that, we have tailstock. Headstock is the one which has a spindle, and the workpiece is held to this spindle. We have the 3-jaw chuck, and workpiece is fixed to this chuck, and it rotates at different RPM depending on the requirement of the operations. The workpiece, when it is too long, we have to align it with respect to the dead center. This is called the lathe axis. From headstock to tailstock, the imaginary alignment joints is called as the lathe axis. So we have the tailstock to align with respect to the lathe axis. So tailstock is used for fixing the workpiece and aligning with respect to the central axis. Next to the in between you are seeing here is the tool post. So to the tool post means it used for fixing the tools. It's a four tools can be fixed. It's called a square tool post. Below the square tool post we have the compound rest. Compound rest is used for producing angular taper turning operations. So next when we go for taper turning operation, I will explain that. And further we have below that we have the cross blade. The tool has two important movements. One is perpendicular movement and parallel movement. Perpendicular movement is done with the help of the cross blade. You can observe here the tool is moving towards the axis or away from the axis. This is with the help of the cross blade. It has a graduation, one circular rotation, one is 0.05 mm, you can read here. And next is parallel movement is done by the help of the carriage. You can observe here, first tool post, next is the compound rest, next is the cross blade. Below the cross blade we have the carriage. So carriage is used for moving parallel to the lathe axis. It will move from dead center to live center. So either way you can to and fro movement can be done with the help of the carriage. So you can observe here the entire system is moving above the carriage. It's moving here. It's moving on the lathe bed. You are seeing it's an H-shaped section here. So it is called as a saddle. So the front portion is called as an apron, and the carriage will move with the help of rack and pinion provided here. So this is moving on the lathe bed. We have V2 as well as you can see here V and rectangular bed is provided. Guideways are provided. This is called as the lathe bed. And here below the chuck it should not obstruct the workpiece. We have provided the gap in the bed. Next, there is a thread cutting operation. For thread cutting operation you can observe here there is a lead screw which has a square threads, and below the lead screw we have the auto feed rod. Auto feed rod is used for engaging the auto feed, and automatically the carriage can move from one end to the other end, from dead center to live center as well as from live center to dead center. That is the function. You can observe the levers here. This is used for thread cutting operation. There is an oil level indicator. Inside the carriage we have the oil. So it is used for what is the level of the oil can be used for maintenance purpose. You can observe the oil level. It has to be above the dead mark and next or equal to the dead mark. Next we have auto feed engagement done by this lever. Next we have, you can observe here in the headstock, the spindle has to rotate at different RPMs for different operations. So you can by the combination of this ABCD and ENF levers, you can observe here the combination of speeds can be obtained with respect to ABCD. There is a chart provided where you can fix the spindle speeds at different RPM. So next, after understanding after the other parts of the lathe, the major one is the lathe tray where you can keep the tools as well as the coolant and chips will be collected when you are working on the lathe. So these are the major parts of the lathe: headstock, tailstock, tool post, cross blade, compound rest, cross blade, carriage. Inside the headstock we have the gearbox mechanism for operating at different speeds. So this is the basic primitive explanation for the lathe.